Thank you for joining AnnexIQ. In this video, we will walk you through how to connect your sending account, discover leads, and launch your first outreach campaign. To begin, open the Email Accounts tab from the sidebar. Click Add Account and fill in your sending email details to complete the connection process. Once your account is connected, then set up email signature. Here you can create your email signature by adding all the details. Once everything looks good, click Save Signature. Next, navigate to the company discovery page to start searching for ideal prospects. There are two ways to add leads inside AnnexIQ. The first method is through the Companies tab. Open any company profile, select the leads you want to target, and click Add to Leads. The second method is through the Contacts tab. Here, you can select one or multiple leads and click the Add to Leads button at the top left. Once your leads have been added, open the Leads page. Select one or multiple leads and click Run Closer. Closer will automatically research each company, generate personalized outreach, build tailored presentations, send emails, monitor responses, and follow up automatically based on your auto-closer settings. You can also manage automation behavior, working hours, follow-up timing, and reply handling directly inside the auto-closer settings. That's it. Your outreach system is now live and working in the background for you.